Hello everybody and welcome. In today's video we're going to be installing some pedal covers. Yeah, what the heck is that? Well, here's what a pedal cover is. It is a cover for the pedal, both the brake and the accelerator here in the Model Y. What the heck is a pedal cover? A pedal cover is a cover that goes over the existing pedals. You remove the all rubber and you replace it with this aluminum with rubber inserts, and it just spices up the pedals. Makes the car go fast, I think. Here are the pedal covers. I've got a really cool texture. It's not shiny aluminum, it's textured. It's kind of cool. It's got rubber insert, so it has good grip. And on the back is rubber that goes around the metal pedal and allows you to doll up the car. And this is the accelerator, same kind of deal. All right, well, let's go see if we can put these babies on. Here are the pedals here in the 2022 Model Y. And there is a rubber cover. So we're going to remove that here now. All right, so just like that. The center of the pedal here on this model version of Model Y has the backup. However, the new pedal, as you can see, does not. So we'll see how this works out. But I think with the metal, you don't need the strengthen in the middle. So let's put this on now. You got to have about 4 hands, I think. Well, there you go. It's got to be a method to the madness. I think with this little thing is an indicator, so I think we're going to try to go on to the top first, like that. Then we pull the sides down, pull this one out and the sides out. Whoops. It's on. See? And if you're wondering, have I ever done this before? No. All right. Pedal cover is on. Feeling around the back, and we're all the way around. There it is. The brake is on. It's awesome. All right, well, let's get to the accelerator now. Now, the accelerator has no rubber. This is just a plastic thing, so this should be an interesting thing. You've got the 2 little pry things here. So I'm guessing we stick it on one side and then use the pry deal to work on each side. Push like your hands and Phoenix. Wow, I think this one is harder than the brake. Let's see. Whoa, did I just get it? Yeah, sure did. Rubber's all the way around the periphery. And we're on. Wow. That's on. This is on. Well, there you go. A live shot of putting the pedal covers on here on the Model Y. Let's have a look from the driver's view. Here's the brake, accelerator. I think I'm going to flood it. I'll pump it a little bit here. See if we can flood this baby. No, it's electric car. There's the brake. There's the accelerator. These pedals went on really easy. They're going to make a nice addition here to the long-range Model Y. Makes it look kind of like the Performance. And I think it's probably going to make the car go faster and drive better. What do you think? If you liked today's video, go ahead and click the like, click subscribe. I would certainly appreciate it. Thank you for watching. I'll look for you in the next videos and take care.